India Foxtrot Hotel Queenstown South Crossrail runways clear Victoria 3,500 feet away.
Middle runways, Victoria departure 3,500 feet below.
That's 406, yeah.